In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply comments on Instagram using Meta Business Suite. If you manage your Instagram account from a desktop or want a more organized way to handle audience interactions, Meta Business Suite makes the process simple. Replying to comments from one central inbox can help you stay on top of engagement, respond faster, and keep conversations with your followers professional and consistent. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to the Inbox section. This is the area where your messages, comments, and other interactions are collected, so it's the best place to manage communication without jumping back and forth between apps. Once you're in the inbox, take a moment to look at the options available so you can get comfortable with the layout. Next, click on Instagram Comments. This filters the inbox so you can focus specifically on comments left on your Instagram content if you manage more than one type of message or multiple connected platforms. This step is helpful because it narrows everything down and saves time. Instead of sorting through unrelated conversations, you'll see the Instagram comment activity you need to respond to. After that, select a comment. Choose the comment you want to reply to from the list shown in the inbox. When you click on it, the full conversation or comment thread will appear, giving you more context before you respond. This is especially useful if you want to make sure your reply matches the tone of the original comment or addresses the person's question clearly. Now, start typing your comment. Enter your reply in the response field provided. Keep your message clear, friendly, and relevant to what the person said. If the comment is a question, answer it directly. If it's positive feedback, a short thank you can go a long way. And if you're responding on behalf of a business, try to stay consistent with your brand voice so your communication feels polished and intentional. As you type, it's a good idea to quickly reread your response before sending it, just to catch any mistakes or make sure the tone feels right. Clear and thoughtful replies can help strengthen engagement and show your audience that you're active and attentive. And that's it. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, the process is straightforward. Open the inbox, view Instagram comments, select the one you want, and type your reply. It's a simple workflow that can make community management much easier, especially if you regularly interact with followers from your computer.